Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am actually getting the link braces on my quad axles. I already did this set so I could figure out how the hell to do it. Um, it's not hard to do, it's just stupid the way they got it. But, I guess it works. I got these off eBay. I got a whole set of these off eBay for like 50 bucks. And it covers both axles, so let's get started. First thing you do, take this little guy and just slide it up over top of that little axle. Then just slide one of these long ass screws through. It comes with more screws than you need, which is nice, because you get a whole bunch of hardware for it. Then just slide that through as long as it measures up. There it goes. So slide that through. Take one of these big collars and just slide that on. Then you take this brace. Make sure it's on the inside, not the outside. You don't want it on the outside. You want it to go the way that the gear case is. If your motor's on this way, if your motor's right here, then you want these to face inwards. Okay. Then you take one of these little collars. I don't know if you can see that. I'm going to try to make it focus. Anyway, you take one of those. It's like a little cone. And you slide that right on that screw. That'll hold the shock in place. No, with the upper link in place if you're using upper links. Me, I'm going to use upper links up on top of here. So you put that little collar on, then you put the nut on. Screw it all the way down so it sits like that. The only reason I got it screwed all the way down is because I don't have my links yet. I haven't got them. They're in the mail. So then, because right here that doesn't line up, I guess because it's cheap and it was from eBay, they don't line up with both of the holes that's in the axle. So you got to drill. There you go. And you take another screw. Take another screw. And you take another collar. Little cylinder. You slide the screw on through. Now it just slides right like that. Screw it on. Goddamn collar fell. Okay. Slide the collar on. Slide the brace over. Just like that. Then you take another one of them little funnel washers. Might as well grab a couple of them because I'm going to need them. You place it over that screw. Take your nut. Thread it on. Now take screw that down. There we go. One side done. Not too hard. It's not, you know, rocket science. If I can do it, anybody can do it. So, go to the other side. Once again, little plate goes over the axle. And this one almost lines up. Not quite. So I'm going to have to drill again. Alright, there's that. Little cylinder. Over. And the bracket. Cone washer. Well, spacer. It's more of a spacer than it is a washer. And the nut. You just take and thread that nut on. All the way down. If you're not putting links on your axles yet, then you can just go all the way down with it. And then you flip it over and you grab your drill again. Get all that shavings out of there. You don't want that in your bearings. And once again, we're going to use screw. Screw first. Little cylinder. Bracket. Slide it all the way down. Grab another one of them cone washers. Slide it on. And you want the cones to be facing outwards. You don't want it to be facing inwards. Like, see how the cone indentation is facing outwards? That's what you want. And you take the screw. And you put the nut on. Just hand tighten it up until you get your links. Unless you already got your links, then you can go ahead and put your links on. Then you put the nut and the washer on. So that's it. Both sets are done. Ready for my links. I don't know about these axles. I got them in a trade, which was stupid on my part because I shouldn't have traded, but I did. Then you put your put these back together. Put on one side, and then I'll put on the other side. This here is rear steering lockout that the guy who traded me made. I guess it'll work for now. There we go. I just put another nut in. Well, you don't need a drill bit no more. So you know what? This fits perfectly for these little bolts. Perfect. I'll tighten this one up. Put the ones on the bottom. That works. Perfect. And there you have it. One complete axle. The only thing I'd kind of do is put my motors in and then put the links on. So that's it. I don't know. If you enjoyed the video, let me know. If not, hell, let me know too. Let me know if you think I'm doing a good job or not. Alright, I'll talk to you all later. Bye.